Hello, good day. Mr. Bala. Good day, sir. What should I offer you? Give me 2 bowls of fish, and fresh fruit juice with ice. My friend will soon join me. It would be ready in some minutes, sir. Okay, no problem.
Ibrahim, I saw you watching an animated video yesterday. If I may ask, where did you get it?
I got it from Flair Learn Technologies Instagram page.
Wow. Those guys are really creative. Their contents are always captivating and fascinating. But wait, I really want to learn how to develop this 3D animation too.
I saw their advert today. There would be 3 days intensive training for anybody that's interested in 3D animation development. At the end of these 3 days training, you should be able to handle 1. Creation of characters. 2. Creation of scenes. 3. Character voicing, computer and human. 4. Camera positioning and control. 5. Characters conversation and subtitling. 6. Adding special effects. 7. Monetization.
Are you serious? You mean I can learn all these within 3 days?
I trust them. Yes! You will learn.
Wow. I can't wait to be part of them. Please, Ibrahim, how much is the training fee? When and where would the training hold?
Training fee is 3,000 naira. And the training will kickstart on Thursday, 12th, and end on Saturday, the 14th of September, 2019 inside the University of Ilorin, main campus. Time, 10 a.m. to 12 noon.
Thanks, dear friend. Please, where would I get Flair Learn Technologies? I want to register immediately.
They have make things easy. All the registration is online. Follow this link and reserve your seat. bit.do/FlairLearn Animation Workshop. All you just need is to register online, make your payment online, and message them for confirmation. After you have submitted the form, wait for confirmation message. Read the message carefully, and ensure you make your payment. Your registration only valid after payment of 3,000 naira only.
What else do I need?
After registration, you need just 3 things. They are, 1. PC or Android phone. 2. Enough space on phone. 3. Internet connection. I can guarantee you that within these 3 days, you will become guru in 3D animation development. You may want to call or chat with Flair Learn Technologies on WhatsApp. Contact 081040388181.
Thanks so much, my dear friend. This is an amazing opportunity. I will also inform other colleagues who may want to learn 3D animation development too.
You're welcome!